Enhance the performance, reliability, and safety of your control panel with Omron. The all-new Slim I/O relay with a width of 6.2 mm realized about 25% lower profile than conventional products, contributing to further miniaturization of the control panel. With its transparent case, this slim relay enables users to visually confirm the status of the contact without any additional tools, making it easy to detect any abnormalities on site. Its safety lock feature allows easy operation checks and replacement, increasing the overall value of your control panels. The Omron MYGS Power Relay increases reliability with its unique dust removal technology, plus avidly pursuing further ease of use. With the latching lever giving the ability to toggle between 3 states, there is no need for coil energization to confirm operation. Mechanical indicators are now a standard feature, so that you know the contact operating status even for standard models. To prevent incorrectly using the relays, we've made it easy to tell the difference between relays with different specifications. The color of the LED indicator shows whether the coil voltage is AC red or DC green. Omron's Push-In Plus technology help reduce the workload and improve wiring quality. The terminals are firmly held in place, displaying a green indicator when a cable is fully inserted. Thanks to the visible indicators, users will avoid errors, such as non-wiring and incomplete wiring, giving immediate confirmation of proper wiring insertion as compared to conventional screw terminal blocks. Innovate your control panel with LKH Precicon. We predict, control, and monitor your processes.